Clash Dreamers.
Yeah. This is a magic trick, a sleight of hand. Adjust my pants a little, I'll become your Spider-Man. Or Michael Jackson with a pair of idle hands, getting wheezy how he died, the people blaming on his mans. His Conrad Murray was only there to please him, even if that meant giving him anesthesia. Is it manslaughter when a legend needs ya? To keep him breathing while he proceeds to feed the world's people? Oh no, that shit is heavy D. A life cut short, he should've surpassed 70. Ascending to the tower's heights, living large, he hit the big time now, spitting blue funk to the gods. This is a sermon, some bars for a peaceful journey. We got nothing but love for Heavy D, this speech is earnest. I saw his tweets and thought he'd reach love's opus, but sometimes the book just closes on our time. Speaking of times, we living in some mean ones, when the coach's actions are some obscene ones. Off the field directed at somebody's teen's son. In the shower, this program is sour, but on the outside it's a sweet one led by Joe Papa. Sandusky, somebody should beat the whole out of him. Could've been Yo Tyler looking for a role model, instead he met the devil with no one there to protect him. Kinda like a Wilson Ramos. Came home to pistols with some ammo. Hey, should've been greeted with parades, but they country got them hungry, so they greeted them with K's. I ain't the judge and the jury, boy. I'm just here to speak on things I think that you'd enjoy. Attach it to your life if it's right for you. If it's not, then get your life in order.